Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious here or rub salt in the wounds, but this was an absolutely brutal day. It started off very impressive, actually. I mean, you had that opening 30 minutes where the price, nice hammer candle, and then it just continued on up, and I think some poor souls bought up around that area, and then after that, that was basically all she wrote. And down it went from that point. So overall, a rough day, but if you've traded for a while, then this will mean a little bit more to you. But if you have, like I said, traded for an extended period of time, I'm sure you've seen situations like this where a price gets beat down, and then there can be some very nice snapback bounces. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I'm not saying that a snapback bounce is for sure going to happen. My point is, it's always interesting to at least keep an eye on setups like this because the potential is there for, things to, not necessarily snap back up to $6, but even if it were to go up to, let's just say $5 from a percentage standpoint, that's, some potentially nice gains. So if there is going to be any sort of, bounce that really gets underway, the first key battleground that'll need to be broken is right here at $4.15. And this is important because this is all based around a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support, so very clearly was a level of support there, are broken, and right there is where that level was indeed broken, but when that occurs, those areas tend to act as resistance. So for that reason, $4.15 in the near term, a very key level of resistance to keep an eye on. In the event the price can get up through $4.15, next key overarching level would be that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week continues to play out, that line is going to move itself lower and lower and get more relevant because I get it. Yeah, right now that line's way up there and the price is way down there, but like I said, it will be moving itself downwards, but I am probably getting a little bit far ahead of myself because first the price just needs to prove itself by being able to break up above $4.15. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today at $3.25. So for that reason and that reason alone, that is going to be the current level of support going forward into Thursday and Friday. So we'll see if this thing can consolidate out and get some sort of bounce back to the upside. But like I said, 415, definitely that key level if any sort of bigger bounce has a chance of happening. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.